A strategic next-generation missile that Russian President Vladimir Putin once described as invincible has now been deployed for combat duty. Yuri Borisov, the head of the Russian space agency Roscosmos, said that Sarmat missiles have assumed combat duty. Russian President Vladimir Putin has once said that this missile would make Russia's enemies think twice about their threats. The Kremlin had previously stated that the Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missiles would be ready for combat duty by the end of 2022. But that deadline had long passed, and in June, Putin had said that the new missile system would be deployed for combat duty soon, without naming a specific date. Russia had tested one of its Sarmat warheads during a visit to Ukraine by US President Joe Biden in February 2023, but the test was apparently unsuccessful. The RS-28 Sarmat, dubbed Satan II by the West, is among Russia's next-generation missiles unveiled by Putin in 2018, which also include the Kinzhal and Avangard hypersonic missiles. It is a three-stage liquid-fueled missile. Weighing more than 200 tons and able to transport multiple warheads, Sarmat is designed to elude anti-missile defense systems with a short initial boost phase, giving enemy surveillance systems a narrow window to track it down. The ballistic missile system is capable of carrying at least 10 large nuclear warheads, 16 smaller ones, a combination of warheads and countermeasures or hypersonic boost glide vehicles, and is intended to replace the R-36 ICBMs. This super heavy thermonuclear armed ICBM is thought to be Russia's most powerful ICBM till date. It has a range of about 18,000 km and can travel at a maximum speed of 25,500 km per hour. The RS-28 Sarmat is said to be able to carry a nuclear payload large enough to wipe out an area the size of Texas. While the RS-28 Sarmat can be launched much like a regular ICBM, sending a payload high into the stratosphere before the warhead plummets to Earth, it is thought to be also capable of what is called fractional orbital bombardment. The low orbit gives it an almost limitless range and makes it hard to determine the intended target.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.